Welcome into Maker Studio. Hi, I'm your host today. My name is Renee and I'm with Real Home Renee. And I am so glad that you have joined me today. So as you jump on, please tell us where you're from. We want to know. We want to know where you're jumping in from. So this is a special day I'm excited about today, okay? So I get to introduce a new stencil for you guys. But first I want to tell you a little bit about myself. If you can't tell, I'm from the South. So I am outside of Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm a homeschool mom and I have 2 little boys and we just enjoy crafting. I have a background in interior design and I love painting furniture and all the things, crafting for my home. And a Maker Studio helps me with that because of all the wonderful products that we have to make some really cute gifts. So I would love if you would join me on my social media pages. Again, it's Real Home Renee. I would love for you to join me on my Facebook channel, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram, all those social media things. I would love for you to join me. So today, what I'm showing you today is super spooky. So get ready, okay? So the new stencil today is, do you see it? Can you see it? I've already got it on this lantern, but it's called Going Batty. Going Batty. I don't know if you can see this guy. So, oh, I knocked it over. Okay, so this is a spider, and then down below it says Happy Halloween. So I'm gonna hold up some of the things I've already made with it so you can see it a little bit better. So, Another reason why today is so special is because this is Dollar Tree Week. Dollar Tree Week. So I found some really cute stuff at Dollar Tree, and what we want you to do is vote on your favorite craft. So all of us who are crafting this week for Maker Studio, we are using our Maker Studio products to make Dollar Tree things really pretty, really cute for our home. So I'm going to show you what I found at Dollar Tree, and there should be a link, I think, below. If you would click on that and vote for the project you love the most, that would really, be exciting because you will have a chance to win $150 worth of Dollar Tree stuff, okay? So all the stuff you see is crafting with from Dollar Tree this week, you have a chance to win free money. So make sure you vote. Okay, guys, I mentioned I'm a mom. I've got 2 little boys. And so I thought, I tried to get them on camera, but they're not feeling it today. So I said, all right, I'll just show them what I made for you guys. So our Maker Studio products are really easy to use with kids too. My boys are just not into it right now, so they're off doing their thing. I said, okay. Look how cute this is. So I made a couple of Halloween t-shirts for them. So I just took the spider. So down at the bottom of the stencil, I don't know if you can see, it says Happy Halloween. So I just took the spider and put this on my youngest shirt, and this is a small, so you can kind of see how that looks. And this is silver. So this is our silver gel art ink. So you can see how well it shows up on the black. You see that? Yeah. So, hey buddy, are you gonna be on camera?
Can I have a snack?
You want a snack? Can you say hi to everybody? Come over here and say hi. You scooch. Say hi. All right, did you see mommy the t-shirt? Look. Did you see it? Do you love
bigger
it?
than me.
It's a little bigger than you, huh?
It's a little big.
This is Ben. This is my baby boy.
I changed my shirt.
So there's your Halloween shirt. All right. You want to take this? Yes, you can go have a snack. You can go have a snack? Okay. Can you shut the door for me? Okay, just lay it right there. Thank you. Okay. Oh my goodness. So here's one I made for my oldest son, and I put the entire stencil on it. So this is a youth medium. So you can see, again, I use the silver gel art ink, And to make this permanent on fabric, you will need to heat set it. So, just a tip. But how cute is that? How cute are those shirts? Okay, so silver gel art ink on the black looks really, really good. Okay, all right, so the project that I got at Dollar Tree that I'm gonna be doing for you today is these pumpkins. Do these look like pumpkins? I thought these were really cute. Okay, so I'll just tell you what I used to make them. So at our Dollar Tree, they have these wooden pieces and they call them chunky slats. Chunky slat wooden pieces. And so they have them in like 3 different sizes. So this is the 12-inch. And I got 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and then I did a 10-inch and an 8-inch again to make the pumpkin. So you put the big one in the middle, and then you alternate the other sizes. So this is what it looks like unstained, and then this is what it looks like stained. And so what I did, how I stained this is, I made 2, okay? So my thought with these, how cute is that? Can you see it a little better there? There, you see that? So I use our black gel art ink to stain this with. And I just used a paper towel and I just dotted a little bit of the black and I spread it with the, I think I used the shop towel. You could use a lint-free rag if you want to, but it kind of just stains the wood. You see that? So I glued all the chunky slats together. I glued a little stem from my yard on top, and then I stained it. So my thought here is these are going to be shelf setters probably on my mantle. Yes, sir.
I want to snack too.
Okay, your brother can have a snack too. Okay, close the door. Thank you. There's always something around here. Okay, so I stained it, put the little stem on, and my thought is I'm going to flip it around, and so I've already painted it brown. I'm going to do the back side for Thanksgiving. So, Halloween and Thanksgiving. So, how about that? Do you like that for a little Dollar Tree craft? I thought that would be, really cute. So, here it is. And so I used the bottom of the stencil here, and I used the chalk art on it, and I kind of just like rubbed it off a little bit because I wanted it to look like kind of creepy. Does that make sense? I wanted it to kind of look creepy. The writing. So what do you think about that? And then I'm gonna have my little bow here, do a little bow and put that on my mantle. What do you think about that? Do you think it is cute? Okay, so that's my little Dollar Tree craft. But I'm dying to do this on a lantern. So when you backlight it, you can see it. What do you think about that? So this is a lantern. I got this like last year from Target. It's big and it has been sitting on my front porch. If you want to get this effect, you can also probably get just a clear glass plate from Dollar Tree and put it in a plate stand and you can backlight it. Thought about that, okay? So you could do something like that. You could grab some of these lights from Dollar Tree to go in it. That's what I'll probably do. Oh, I got this cute little mesh spider web looking thing from from the Halloween decoration aisle at Dollar Tree. And then they also have these guys. So you could paint these or you could use the backside. So if you wanted to do this stencil on the backside of this pumpkin, you could do that as well. So just some ideas. So here's what I want to do. I want to put this on here, and I thought I might do it in the white. I don't know. I just thought, I'll try it in the white and see. What do you think? Let's see. And if you can use chalk art on the glass, and it won't be permanent. So here's what I want to do. Maybe I'll lay it down. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try. Okay, so I'm using our squeegee. Oh, backside, wrong side, Renee. I'm using our squeegee to apply this with, and I'm just going to use our chalk art so that I can wipe it off, and maybe I can do a Halloween or a Thanksgiving stencil on it later, or Christmas or something like that. Okay, have you guys, when you are done with this video, make sure you click the link so that you can vote for your favorite project and be entered to win for the $150 gift card to Dollar Tree. All right, you ready? Let's see how this looks. All right, so our stencils, I may have to stand up a little. Yeah, our stencils are reusable, adhesive, and you wash them and you can reuse them. You can cut them. They are, they stick to your surface. This is on glass, so it sticks very well to glass, okay, because it's a flat, slick surface. So you want to be careful when you're pulling it up. So those are some tips for using our stencils. Our chalk art, you can use all different art mediums with it. We have our gel art inks, which are primarily you can use them on different surfaces, but they're great for fabrics because they are permanent on fabrics once you heat set them. You can use our etching cream. This will be beautiful if you etch this into glass. If you wanted it to be permanent, it could be etched into glass using our stencils. You can use our ceramic paint. So you could do a ceramic plate with this big spider on it. That would be fun, huh? Okay, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna push this through. You push it through the mesh. Let's see if you guys, maybe you can see me, but I'm gonna push it through the mesh, which is the open part. Let's see how this is going to come out. And I've used the stencil a few times already, like you can see on those projects that I did. Making sure it gets down into the mesh. This will be pretty backlit, don't you think? All right, let's see. You guys started decorating yet? Do you decorate for Halloween? I don't typically decorate for Halloween, but my boys really enjoy it. So I've done a little bit more these last couple of years than I usually do. All right. So we got to move quickly with this chalk art because it will dry in your stencil and pull it up. So I hope it's not too dry yet. Okay. Oh, it's cute. Ooh, here we go. So cute. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side and show you guys. Look. Happy Halloween. How cute would it be lit from behind? Maybe you can find like some, even like, the candles that look kind of orangey. So to put that behind there, that would be so cute. So cute. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Give me a thumbs up if you love it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy crafting for Halloween. I know everybody here likes crafting for fall, right? Everybody's crafting for fall. But Halloween has its own little niche, right? That you decorate with. So, what do you think? Okay, so here are some of the projects. All right, here are our chalk art. You want to see how it doesn't take much at all of the product to use it. So wipe that all back into the container so that you can save that art medium. You don't want to lose it, right? Okay. So I want to show you some other Halloween colors we have. You could do the Peace and Joy, which is the white. We also have Preaching to the Choir, which is black. Then we have one of our oranges. We have a couple oranges in the chalk arts. This is All Y'all. You see that orange. You can use metallic silver. That would be pretty, metallic silver. I could even brush the metallic silver over this if I wanted to give it a little bit of sheen on this wood. You could do that. So those are some of the chalk arts that I had that would be really nice colors. You have to check out our website. We've got tons of colors on there. The metallic gel art ink, like I said, this is what I use on those black shirts, and that turned out amazing. Just the sparkle on it is really awesome. So metallic, we have 3 different metallics in the gel art inks. And the silver, we have silver, gold, copper. This is Well I Declare white gel art ink. And this, of course, like I think I said, Lord Have Mercy is the orange. And this, I can't see, this is our black. And I can't read it on there. We'll have to go in and put the color in there. But those are perfect Halloween colors. Can you see them? So you can use any of these to stain this wood. And it looks awesome. So like here's the black. That's what the black stain looks like. Okay. This is the black stain with the orange over it, the Lord Have Mercy over it. Okay. And on the edges, you can see I put it on the edges. And I just did this kind of like in a dry brush over it, over the black stain. So that's it, guys. What do you think? All right, don't forget to vote so you can be entered to win the $150 from Dollar Tree, because you know you want that, because they've got some good fall stuff coming up too, right? And Christmas, they already got Christmas stuff out. You got to snag that. You got to snag that quickly too. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy Halloween. We'll see you soon. Bye.